Reevaluate the expectations you have placed upon yourself. You weren't born with the know-how to be a person, let alone an adult. Some of us had few or no teachers and a non-existent support system, even the ones with the best instructors and even better foundation could have never been adequately prepared for today's world. Most of our present life is a trial by error situation. You are not failing. You are figuring it out. No one gets it right the first time. It's rarely the second or third time either. Everyone makes mistakes. Screwing up is a part of the process. Release the notion of perfection. Increase the tenacious determination. Fasten your seatbelts.